Hello, welcome back. In this video, let's look into in condition. In condition is used to reduce the need to use multiple or condition in select, insert, update or delete statements. Let's look into the syntax. It starts with keyword select and the columns you want in your result. Then from keyword, database name and the table name. Then comes the condition where keyword and mention the column in and mention the values. I'll explain how this works in example. Let's go back to our data set. See here in this database we have three tables. I have added a new tables just for our upcoming videos. Let's go back to our customer table. See, the table is now open. Let's preview this. It has a lot of records starting with customer ID, customer name, segment, age, countries, city, state and postal code. Finally, the region. Okay, let's get few cities based on in condition. Let's write a query. Before that, we'll take few cities. Example Cincinnati, Columbus. We'll take one more and we'll consider Dallas. Okay. Now let's write the query. Select. We'll take all the records from database and the table name is customer. Now, as I told you, we have to give our values in where condition. Where city in our values will be Cincinnati. As this is a string, I'll put it in single quotation mark. Cincinnati. I hope it's double N. Let's check. Columbus and one more Dallas. Okay. Let's run this query. See, we have got our records here. We have 35 records. Columbus, Dallas. I hope we haven't got Cincinnati. See, we have got a result. We have three cities here, Cincinnati, Columbus and Dallas, and the customers detail. Let's look into our next example. If in case, if we are not using in condition here, if we are using a logical operator or what will be our query to get the same result. Okay, let's write the query. Select from database name, table name, where in this scenario we will be mentioning city equals to Cincinnati or city equals to our second city Columbus, sorry, or city equals to Dallas. See which one looks simpler, the one, right? But we'll be getting the same results in this query also. Let's run it and check. See, we have got the results back. Let's check it. See, we have our city, Columbus, Dallas, and Cincinnati. We have total 41 records here. Let's check with this query as well. See, we also have 41 records. The result is same. The way to get the result is little different. Where in condition makes works little easy. If we have 3 records, it's fine, we can write it down. If we have multiple records, more than 5, 10 records, it will be bit difficult to write it down. So we'll be using in condition in that scenario. I hope you understood this. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.